Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to show equation of trend line in Excel. Let's begin. Example, see this data. Go to Insert tab, recommended chart, all chart, and see this XY scatter. Select example, select to this data. Click any data point, right click on your mouse at trend line and see this exponential liner polynomial power and see this drop down display equation on chart. Click here. Change text direction, custom angle, shadow, glow, text option, etc. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.